Tesla have some new movement. Today, I will give you the insight from the chart and don't miss it if you are a big fans of Tesla. Maybe this is one of your big opportunity. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more and make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Now we look at the Tesla chart. So I'm using my own indicator. You can subscribe it anytime and unsubscribe anytime. So this one, Tesla, we have two lines, basic two lines. Red and blue. The blue tell you the trend. The red tell you the fast trend line. Okay, so tell you this is a rebound or this is a go up or go down in short term. And the blue line is the main trend line. We always need to look for the blue line. Okay, when it's going downward, the trend is going downward. When it's upward, they're going upward. What's going on is the Tesla. If you look at the trend line from downward trend, so when it's downward, we don't hold stock. And then we go above. When we go above, there's something going on, right? It's getting stronger. We're waiting the trend line to go upward. When it's going upward, it's getting stable for the upward trend, okay? So now we have this signal. We have this upward signal. Number one, the trend line is going upward. Number two, oh, by the way, subscribe to my Twitter because it's a faster update for the stock, okay? So basically on this day, and this day, I give you the update for Twitter. Okay, also for the YouTube post also, but I am not familiar with the YouTube post. Okay, so follow me the Twitter. So I give you the Twitter note here. Basically, we buy here, remember? We buy around here. And then I give you a note, hey, we go below the red. The strategy is when we go above the red, we bought. When they drop below, this is an alarm. Okay, this is an alert to tell you, hey, be careful. Maybe you can reduce it right now. If the red turning downward, it means this is a short-term downward trend, like a short-term pullback. Okay, so now they drop below. This is a risk. We reduce, or people can sell because we buy here, we sell here. You're still making around 5% profit. Okay, when they go above, you buy back. Okay, or you just reduce here, you hold it because the red is still going upward. It's still going upward. Okay, I reduce it also. By the way, this video is not a trading recommendation. It's only education to tell you what is going on with the chart. Okay, so now we can see the red is going upward, the blue is going upward. This is a trend. Okay, the second thing, I say look at the trend, look at the fund movement. We need to follow the money because money, the big capital, is the main factor to pull up the price. It's not about how the company doing, okay? It's about the main capital. If money go in, the stock go up, okay? That is so simple. Look at the YM Big Buy. YM Big Buy is the big volume trade. You can see it is going lower and lower before, right? Until yesterday. They are forming they squeeze like a triangle shape. You can see here, the lower high, okay? That's why here could be a risk because when the high going lower, it is kind of losing the momentum, losing the big volume trade. Big volume trade is a bit different from the institution trade. Big volume trade is very fast, okay? So they filter the big volume trade. The green is buy. The red is to sell. When I give you this warning here because also they have the interest rate going on. You don't know what the market going. So if the market like the news, they pump up. If the market doesn't like the news, they go down. But how do you know they like or they don't like? So even the big volume trade, the big volume investor or PE fund, they don't know. So they need to reduce the risk. Stock investment is about the risk management. It's not about how you pick the stock. It's all about statistics and risk management. So you need to minimize your risk and maximize your profit. Okay, this is the whole point. Okay, it's not gamble. It's not casino. If you like casino style, I'm sorry, this channel is not for you. We focus on risk management. Okay, so now we reduce the risk, we reduce the stock here because the fund go lower, but simple strategy is just follow this chart, follow these two lines. Okay, when they go above the red, buy. When they drop below, sell. If they go, well, if the blue going downward, you try not to touch it. Okay, try not to touch it. or you do very short-term trade. If the blue go upward like this, you can see a big movement here, a big movement until you buy here, you sell here. Okay, so it's quite a good strategy. So now we look at the fund. Basically, yesterday or the last 2-day trading day, basically we have the green go above this. They break through the trend line. You see? Okay, they break through the trend line. Okay, the institution fund is slightly going upward. You can see this purple line is going upward, upward, upward. How about the green chips here? YM chip entry. This is a very special indicator to tell you when the institution actually doing a big buying. Okay, so basically I have strategy called with this indicator. So look at this free candle. Look at this free candle. Basically the fund coming in. Okay, we have two strategy, a free strategy basically. If you remember, we bought when they go above the first candle. The one strategy. The second strategy we bought when they go above the tallest candle of this chips. Okay, so at the same time, this is the same candle. So this is perfect. So when they go above, we bought. Okay, we can use the lowest price of this one to stop loss. Okay, it could come back to retest this level again, and then we call kiss and buy, and then kiss and buy, not kiss and goodbye, it's kiss and buy it. So for example, you can see this free candle. Let me draw you a line. So this free candle, you can see they go up and then they come back around this level and then they fly again. It happens all the time. I can show you more example. For example, here, this one, the tallest is here. Okay, tallest is here. The first candle is here. You can see what is going on. Same at the same, basically same level. Look, the first candle of this one. You can see here. They go up, they keep touching this price. They go to test, to shake out the people, and then they fly again. I tell you, this is not the end of the Tesla. This is very beginning of the Tesla. This is institution coming to buy. It means it won't give only a small percentage of profit because they take long time for them to make the strategy, to usually make few years to plan the low, and then they buy. So you won't take profit like 1 or 2 months or 3 months. No, it take much longer time. Okay, so now here we have 3 candles here. 1, 1, 2, 3. So basically, did they kiss and do they give us a buy signal? Let's see. Basically here, they give us a buy signal. Okay, if you miss it, don't worry because the blue is going downward. Remember, institution buy when the trend is still going downward because they are the main factor to turn the trend. If we mentioned the big boat, when we turn the direction of the big boat, you need to have a big extra external force to change the direction. So the capital, the institution is the external force. The boat, the ship is the stock price. Okay, is it better understanding now? So now we're going on, what's going on here now? So on first day, 7% up. Everyone's so excited. Next day, wow, what's going on? Is it end of the road and minus 2%? No panic. If you have my indicator, do you do any trade here? No, you keep here, right? Because they still go above the red. If you bought here, you can use the blue line to be your indicator to sell. Okay. If you want to maximize the profit, if you have time, you can use the red line to do buy sell also. Okay. So this is the strategy, how it goes. And so far, we are very healthy for Tesla. And I expect Tesla will create another high. Okay. We create another high. This is the very beginning of the stock. I mean, for the whole cycle peak is not yet there. It's not yet there. You can see for history, Tesla can go way higher, can go way higher. So if the company, the fundamental is not changing, we are still safe to invest in this company. One more thing is like people ask me, do we need to learn more about the CPI, more about do more study for the company, da 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 da. I tell you what, myself, I don't use it. I'm quite lazy. What I mean lazy, because I have YM chippers to tell me that like also YM chip entry to tell me when the institution coming. With these two indicator, basically, I'm taking advantage of their action because they do all the homework, they do all the research, they have all the people, right, to do day and night research. I don't care. If they buy, we follow. If they sell, we follow. So what's the problem here? Okay, so I wish you guys all the best and I see you in the next video. If you want to have this indicator, click the link in the description. And any question, you can drop me in the comment and I see you in the next video. Bye.